back. You join us about 15 minutes into this session. We're down here at Kingswood with Mark today. Already in this session what we've identified is that we're going to look at some longer stuff, so we've had 4-iron, driving iron out so far, and we'll look at some wedges a little bit later on. One thing that we've seen already is that with Mark's delivery of his 4-iron, we noticed that his path was very neutral, but we saw a face twisted which caused to like pull hook sometimes, isn't it? Straight away we've implemented a new feeling, a feeling as though we keep that face twisted open a little bit more through impact, and it's dramatically straightened out ball flights, in the sense that right now this is what we're dealing with, and beforehand we noticed, there we go, this is the bad one that we was dealing with earlier. So just by implementing that new feeling and moving that club face a bit more twisted open through impact, we're able to get it back to this. A lot more neutral in flight now. One thing that we have noticed so far though is that if there is to be a bad one with this new feeling, it can be a heel strike, so we just got to keep tabs on that, but so far really good with this 4-iron, proper on top of it now. In all of like 12 minutes.
See you next time.
So for that, are you feeling as though you're exaggerating that face moving close, or is it more like old
I'm
face?
sitting on it slightly closed. And I feel like I'm swimming more around there.
Got it.
To come round
Yeah.
and close the face.
Yeah.
But it's giving more resistance. That's the one.
That's because you could have done shot to shot there.
You've got to build confidence. When you've had a bad day with it, it's in the back.
That's not the way to go, is it? No, that's the one.
6 seconds. Ring 5. And then do that.
Straight that, because that's something that you've always done really well. You've always got them shoulders and them hips opened up in your back and always got there.
I came from one of those ripples, the back one, so I came off the room. And the first thing I looked to was, oh, I'm stuck with it. Oh, I'm not going back. No, I thought I got back to that.
Yeah.
So I went push out there.
Yeah.
And I've just struggled doing it.
I like them little peely pages. I think it's such a nicely controlled shot, that.
Draw side, isn't it?
Yeah, because you're still going to deliver the same loft. Do you know why people think draws go further than fades? It's because where the people hit fades, they add loft, where the people hit draws, they take loft off. But your loft delivery is always really good.
That's the one.
That like punchy stinger time on it, innit? Here's next. I've got an idea, I've got a thought and a feeling that I think wedge lofts are too far up right, that's why Mark's been missing a few left. So let's see if when we're going towards his target, if he's hitting it, if he's missing it left, and then I'll probably go inside, adjust the angles, and then see what effect it has on that.
It's a bit matte first.
A bit more dead on it. So in essence where like it's just purely rotation of the body that's getting that good moving around. So instead of feeling as though you can hit it at any point, you know, and release that, just feel as though it's straight arm, body turns. Pop it out that way. If that follow through and that feels a little bit more punchy, and also that moving the angle forward and getting there, I just look at it sometimes like what this way, you know, that foot underneath. Just have to practice with it first. Okay. That's it, that's way better. That's the release. Yeah. So let's just talk about that little pitching change that we made there then. So what did we see before?
It was too flicky.
Yes, so we saw right hand very much moving this way as we're striking pitches, so adding loft, and we're noticing that with a 50-degree flight was definitely too high for a shot that were only 60-70 yards in distance. So we've now got feeling of taking a little bit of loft off, making sure we have a bit more shuffling, right palm facing more ground. That's the feeling, isn't it? So more this as it's coming in, and we've seen some like slightly stronger flights, some more consistent strikes. Good. Good. Thinking about that lie angle idea that we had right at the start of the lesson, we've not seen evidence of wedges being pulled to the left so far today, so something we'll keep on top of, we'll keep tabs on definitely moving forward, but as of today not seeing any pulls due to loft pointing left, so put that on the back burner for the time being. Yeah, like you just said off camera then, that has been a productive one. That came with an issue and yeah, fixed both of them, so we're seeing like a more controlled flight with the wedges now, and we've got on top of that long game issue that we had as well, so superb stuff. Next protocol for me and you is to get out around a few greens, revisit that chipping stuff and get out of a few bunkers, because we've not done bunkers yet.
No.
So yeah, look forward to it. Thanks everyone for watching, see you next time, later, bye.